Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings, Ali Shamo here. Check this out. What a sweet BF109. Now you must be wondering if this is Ishin, but hey, Ishin BF109 is not this big. This is slightly bigger than that BF109. Another question, is it Voluntex RC? Well, it's kind of is, but not. I don't know. Let's check out the radio. So one, it's a bigger size, but when you look at the radio control, it says TopRC Hobby. TopRC Hobby, but look at it here. Expert, mid, beginner on 3-position switch, and auto aerobatic on the left side. Now, same features, but a different look of radio. The same thing that comes out of Voluntex RC and Ishin. It's the same thing right here, but with a different shape of the radio, and the plane is slightly bigger in size. So basically it's some kind of another OEM going on from Voluntex RC. Who knows? Yes, I tried to bind this with my Radio Master TX16S, and it does not talk to the same protocol that it used to talk to Ishin Voluntex RC Mini airplanes. So basically that is one confusion, if it is really from Voluntex RC or not. This is absolutely the same Voluntex RC features and things. Anyway, the plane has a built-in stabilization system, auto aerobatics, and same way the propeller comes off when you crash. So it's the same system that is introduced by Voluntex RC. Here we go. Okay, it took off, flying really stable, man. Though I have the turns, really slow turns, but hey, that's a beginner thingy. Beginners would love those slow turns. So far so good. Flies very well, even at slow speeds. It's doing a very good job, and very responsive. You're watching how little area I'm flying in. Rudder is really a blessing. It's helping me a lot to make quick turns together with ailerons and elevators, and basically I can only do rudder turns also. Nice, flies really nice and stable. Let's crash it by trying to do auto aerobatics. Actually, it didn't crash, it did it very well. Look at that! Almost crashed in the trees trying to do that aerobatic thingy. So aerobatic does work, and you can please yourself by performing some simple aerobatics on auto mode. Alright, so what happens when I put it in mid mode? Still very stable, much more agile now, more turning radius, I mean shorter turning radius now, but I have to keep the speed up. Still cannot do aerobatics, but I feel much better than beginner mode because I have more authority on controlling this airplane. As you can see, I'm just gonna make myself dizzy. So I have more authority on this plane now. Question is how good it is in total manual mode, and here we go. Well, look at that. Surprisingly, it's still flying very well. Okay. I mean, I heard from people that Eachine BF109 wasn't easy to fly in manual mode, but look at that. This one is surprisingly flying very good in manual mode. Just don't get faster, but it does fly really nice in manual mode. I don't have to struggle that much that I did with the Eachine Spitfire lately. When I reviewed that plane and I put it in expert manual mode, I had to struggle a whole lot. But this one, surprisingly, in manual mode flies very well. Nice. All right, let's try to give it a landing. Well, sorry, pilot is still alive though. Ooh, what an absolute beginner friendly thingy right there. That was a nice throw. So you have to nose dive and land it again, but not very. It tends to keep the nose up to try to stabilize itself, and that is why I'm having trouble. Also, I'm having trouble because I don't have much space in this area to actually land or make a proper approach. Altitude lower. Woo! Nose dive. Come on! Ah! Really high, and that is the reason. Oh! Slightly high. Yes! I did it! I did it! I did it! And I'm not gonna try anymore. I did a smooth landing without any crash this time. So people, this is TopRC Hobby BF109. Slightly bigger than Eachine Voluntex RC models, but it still does look like somehow coming from that side. Flies very well, even in manual mode, pretty stable to fly. And in beginner mode, it's absolutely beginner friendly. Very good model for collectors and those who love warbirds and would like to have something in their collection that actually flies really well. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right there.